Most people live as though life happens to them, shaped by invisible forces, family patterns, and inherited stories. They have never questioned. Yet, within the systemic field, we understand that much of what feels accidental is actually systemic inheritance. Inheritance like loyalties, unresolved grief, and unspoken agreements that quietly script our choices, relationships, and sense of destiny. Working with the wisdom of the family soul cards and the companion guide and meditations opens a sacred invitation to step out of unconscious repetition and into conscious creation. Each card becomes a mirror, reflecting not only where life has been lived through inherited patterns, but also where awareness can bring choice through reflection, journaling, and guided meditation. The individual moves from reacting to life as fate towards designing life as a living work of art.